Welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of reptiles. These incredible creatures are cold-blooded vertebrates belonging to the class Reptilia. From slithering snakes and speedy lizards to ancient turtles and powerful crocodiles, reptiles have been ruling the land and water for over 300 million years. They have survived dramatic changes in Earth's history, evolving into the resilient, diverse animals we know today. Reptiles are cold-blooded vertebrates that are members of the class Reptilia. They include animals such as snakes, lizards, turtles, and crocodiles. Reptiles have been around for over 300 million years. They were once the dominant land animals on Earth during the Mesozoic era, often referred to as the Age of Reptiles. Let us look at some of the characteristic features of reptiles. Reptiles rely on external sources to regulate their body temperature. They bask in the sun to warm up and retreat to cool areas to avoid overheating. So, they are cold-blooded or ectothermic. Reptiles have tough, waterproof skin covered in scales or scutes. This helps prevent water loss, enabling them to live in a variety of habitats, including dry and arid environments. All reptiles use their lungs for gas exchange. Unlike amphibians, which can breathe through their skin, reptiles depend solely on their lungs for gas exchange. Most reptiles lay eggs that have a leathery or hard shell, protecting the developing embryo from drying out. Some reptiles, such as snakes, give birth to young ones. Reptiles reproduce through internal fertilization, meaning that the male delivers sperm inside the female's body. Most reptiles have a 3-chambered heart to atria and 1 ventricle. However, crocodiles have a 4-chambered heart, which is more efficient at separating oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. To conserve water, reptiles excrete waste primarily in the form of uric acid, a more concentrated and less toxic substance than urea. This is one way of reducing the amount of water they lose. Reptiles are classified into 4 major groups. Among these groups, the most common are squamates, turtle and tortoise, crocodiles, and tuataras. Squamates are the largest group of reptiles, including snakes, lizards, and worm lizards. Squamates are known for their movable jaws, allowing them to consume large prey. Many squamates have evolved venom for hunting or defense. Snakes belong to the suborder Serpentes. These are legless reptiles with elongated bodies, highly developed senses for hunting, and the ability to swallow prey whole. Lizards belong to the suborder Reptilia. Reptiles have movable eyelids and external ear openings. Some lizards, like geckos and iguanas, can regenerate lost tails. Examples of squamates include king cobra, Komodo dragon, and geckos. Turtles and tortoises are another major group of reptiles. They have a bony or cartilaginous shell that protects their body. Turtles generally live in water or semi-aquatic environments, while tortoises are land-dwelling. They lack teeth but have strong, beak-like jaws. Sea turtles, Galapagos tortoises, and painted turtles belong to this group of reptiles. Another reptile group is the crocodiles, which include crocodiles, alligators, caimans, and gharials. Crocodiles are large, aquatic predators with a robust, muscular body, a long snout, and powerful jaws. They have a 4-chambered heart and are considered the closest living relatives of birds. Tuateras are ancient reptiles found only in New Zealand. Tuateras are the only surviving members of an ancient reptilian group that lived alongside dinosaurs. Now, let us look at some interesting facts about our living fossil, the tuatara. Tuatara, often called living fossils, are fascinating reptiles found only in New Zealand. Tuatara belongs to the order Rhynchocephalia, which thrived around 200 million years ago. They are the only surviving members of this ancient group, while all others have gone extinct. Tuatara have a parietal eye, a light-sensitive organ on top of their heads. While it is not used for vision, it helps regulate their circadian rhythms and hormone production. These reptiles grow incredibly slowly, taking up to 20 years to reach full size. They can live over 100 years, making them one of the longest-living reptiles. Unlike most reptiles, Tuatara can thrive in cool temperatures. Their preferred body temperature is around 16 degrees Celsius, much lower than most reptiles. Tuatara have sharp, beak-like teeth fused directly to their jawbone. Interestingly, their teeth do not regrow, so older Tuatara may rely on softer food as their teeth wear down. Though they enjoy basking in the sun during the day, Tuatara are primarily nocturnal. At night, they hunt insects, small reptiles, and even seabird chicks. Tuatara can slow their metabolism and survive long periods without food. They have been known to go months without meals in colder months. On some islands, Tuatara share burrows with seabirds like petrels. The Tuatara benefit from the bird's presence, sometimes feeding on chicks or scavenging leftovers from the bird's meals. These ancient reptiles are a symbol of New Zealand's unique biodiversity and a window into the prehistoric past. Reptiles are a fascinating and diverse group of animals adapted to thrive in a variety of environments. They play important roles in ecosystems, from controlling pest populations to acting as top predators. Through their unique evolutionary history and characteristics, reptiles offer a glimpse into ancient life on Earth. Thank you for watching this video on reptiles. I will see you soon with another Science Explainer video.